Hi, this is PY. In this video, I'm going to explain to you about another type of campaign actions that you can create, which is called a custom instruction. So for now, let's create a new campaign, custom instruction live test 3. This is the third try that I did this. So yeah, SSV, So first of all, I wanted to tell you that there is two types of custom instruction that you can do. For example, type text and type photo. What does that even mean? Type photo instruction is when if you want to give some instruction for the user, for example, you want them to take some pictures or something, and so the end result that you want to have for a custom instruction, if you want the end results to be that the user need to submit you a photo, then select the checkbox for photo. But if the end result that you wanted your user to answer something, for example, answer some questions or something that you write the questions here and you want the user to simply reply with a free text answer, take text. That's about it about custom instruction. So now let's try to start with this. Answer my questions, for example. So the question is, what is your favorite travel destination? Okay, and you want your user to answer it in text. So okay, that's about it. The URL I will explain in a bit. So if you do create an action like this, the user will see your questions and they are only prompt to answer your questions. They are given an input field so that they are able to answer your questions. That's about it. So in the proof later, you will see that the user, when the user submitted the questions, you will be able to see in the proof list in this campaign detail page what the user has replied to you. Okay, let's create another custom instruction for the photo action. Send me some photos. So what you want the user to do, for example, so this given the use case whereby you want the user to open the URL, answer the quiz, take a screenshot, send it back to us to redeem your point. Okay, for example like this. So if you have a use case whereby you want the user to open up the URL, you need to do it like, you can do it like this. It's not that you need to do it like this, but you can do it like this. I place the, so instead of you write the URL that you wanted here, for example, and you ask the user to click on this URL, what you can do is that you can put this URL here. The application will check and see that, okay, for this custom instruction there is a URL given, so that means that you want the user to maybe open this URL. So when you do it like this, when you fill in the URL here, the application will actually give a button to the user to click to actually open the URL, to help the user to open the URL. That's about it about this URL field. So it's just like a helper function to allow the user to easily open up the URL that you are giving them here. That's it. So now let's create the campaign. So I'll create the campaign. The app I already have open it here. So the campaign is called custom instruction live test 3. Now I'm going to create the campaign. So let's open up the applications and see it here. Okay, I've created the test campaign. So let's refresh it. Yep, there is this custom instruction live test 3. So I'm going to open it, I'm going to participate in it. Okay, now you can see that there is two actions that the user need to do in this campaign, which is answer my questions or send photos. So let's start with answer my questions. So inside this, you see that there is you have this instruction. What is your favorite travel destination? Follow the instruction. Okay, continue. Submit your response to earn points. Yeah, okay, so I'm going to answer here. Let's say what, maybe I don't know, Switzerland. Yeah, that's about it, and I'm going to submit. Done. Let's continue with the second one, send photos. Okay, what do I need to do here? Okay, in here you need to submit photos. So open the URL, answer the quiz, take a screenshot, send the photo to us to redeem points. Okay, as I explained just now to you that regarding the URL field, when you are creating the custom instruction action, if you put in the URL inside the input field, the application will display this button, open URL. But if you didn't put if you leave it blank, the application won't display this open URL button, because the user don't need to open on any URL. So for example, the user need to open the URL, answer the quiz, take a screenshot, blah blah blah, and then if I click on this, I will open up the URL that you have specified in the input field in the admin dashboard just now. That's it. So the user can just open URL, do the stuff, take a screenshot that is needed, and then send the photo to us to redeem. So now I'm just going to like simply take a dummy picture, take a picture up, I'm going to submit it, and yeah, the user can actually take multiple pictures. Okay, I found some bugs here. Okay, I will list down this bug. This bug, I can't scroll down. That is the bug for this. I'm going to remove this for a bit. I'm going to select another files just to proceed with this test. Take it. Let's see, will I still have the bugs? Yep, the bug is still there, but I can actually click continue. So this is what I will do. I will fix this issue and update it in the next release. So I will continue for now, submit to earn point, and just press submit. So the user will actually submit this right now. Done and finished. I'll click continue, wait a bit, we'll update. Okay, the user I have done two of these, settled. So what we can do right now is that we can open up the list of the campaign, which is this custom instruction live test 3. Click on the details. Now, yeah, since custom instruction, any custom instructions that the user need to submit a proof of all of the custom instructions. So you will see that there is pending submissions here that you needed to do. So yeah, you can take a look what the user did. They open the URL, blah blah blah, and they take a screenshot, they send a photo. This is the photo that they sent to us. So I'm gonna approve this. Okay, done. Let's take a look at another one. The instruction is a question: what is your travel destination? The user response is approve, and done. So the user should receive right now 500 points. This max reward, this doesn't make any sense here, because they doesn't really receive any unique URL that they can share or whatnot. So this we can ignore this. The user should only receive 500 points if after we close this campaign. So first, to make sure, let's go back to the rewards page here, refresh this, see how we have 1560 points at the moment. So I'm going to close the campaign. Done and finish. Let's open up back the app again, refresh the app, and yeah, we receive 500 points. Now we have 2000 points. We can do anything we want with the points. So yeah, that's about it that I explained to you guys about custom instruction actions. So just to recap, there is two types of custom instruction, one for text, one for photo. This URL field, if you want the URL, it's just to help the user to easily open the URL that you gave. That's about it. For text, you can put the URL here, but if you want the user to open the URL, you can put your URL here. The user will receive a button to open the URL. If not, the URL will not see this here, and the user will only see an input field to answer any questions that you put here. So yeah, that's about it about custom instructions live testing. So I will list down the bugs that I saw just now, and I will fix it in the next release and let you know. Thank you very much.